Hi, I'm Han Wei, a Procurement Assistant at Hoffman. I have been here for about 2 years now. At first, procurement wasn't part of my original career plan. One afternoon, I saw Hoffman's job posting online. Actually, I just had another interview that same morning. I majored in e-commerce, which is under business administration. I studied ERP in college using UVID software. That background matched the role well, so I joined the company smoothly. Now, I spend a big part of my day working in the ERP system. I mainly use UVID to create the sales orders and the delivery notes. But to me, they are not just paperwork. Sales orders are where everything starts, connecting what the customer wants with what we can arrange on our side. And delivery notes are more like the final step, making sure everything actually gets out of the factory and into logistics smoothly. So my role is really about keeping this step connected and making sure nothing breaks in between. Most of my time is spent on sales orders. They take quite a lot of attention to details, because if something isn't right at that stage, it can affect everything that comes after. So I try to stay careful and organized when I'm working on them. It actually saves time later when handling delivery notes, and the workload can change from week to week. So I also need to adjust depending on whether I'm focusing more on orders or delivery. At Hoffman, it's the details between every order that keep operation running smoothly.